Hello everyone, welcome back to the SimpleSpark YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about the Karnataka TET, the teacher eligibility test, which is the first step to becoming a government teacher in Karnataka. Whether you want to teach classes 1 to 5 or 6 to 8, clearing TET is essential. So if you are preparing for TET or planning to, this video will guide you step by step. The Karnataka TET is conducted by the Karnataka School Education Board to recruit teachers for government schools. There are two papers. Paper 1 is for candidates who want to teach classes 1 to 5. Paper 2 is for candidates who want to teach classes 6 to 8. You can appear for one or both papers depending on your qualification. To appear for Karnataka TET Paper 1, you must have completed D.Ed or B.Ed. For the Paper 2, you must have a B.Ed degree with the relevant subject. There is no upper age limit and you can attempt the exam as many times as you want. The exam pattern is simple but requires preparation. Both papers have 150 multiple choice questions to be answered in 2 hours 30 minutes. There is no negative marking. Paper 1 includes child development and pedagogy, language 1, language 2, mathematics and environmental studies. Paper 2 includes child development and pedagogy, language 1, language 2, mathematics and science or social studies depending on your subject. Each section is important but child development and pedagogy carry more weight, so focus on understanding concepts, not just memorizing. Let's see the syllabus in detail. Child development and pedagogy. Understand how children learn at different ages, teaching learning process, inclusive education and classroom management. Language 1 and 2. Reading comprehension, grammar, vocabulary, Kannada and English, Kannada as regional language. Mathematics, number system, operations, problem solving, geometry basics, measurements. Science or social studies, NCERT based concepts, EVS for paper 1, history, geography, civics, basics for paper 2. Remember, understanding concepts from NCERT books of classes 1 to 8 is the key to success. Here are some tips to prepare effectively for Karnataka TET. Daily study plan. 2-3 hours consistently focus on weak areas. Previous year papers solve past TET questions to understand the pattern. NCERT books. Read thoroughly, especially for classes 1 to 8. Mock tests. Practice online or offline mock tests to manage time and accuracy. Focus on pedagogy. More than memorizing, understand concepts and classroom application. With consistent effort and smart strategy, you can definitely clear Karnataka TET and become a teacher. TET is not just an exam, it is the first step towards inspiring young minds. Stay disciplined, stay positive, and believe in yourself. With the right strategy, success is guaranteed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more guidance and tips on competitive exams. Thank you.